Hello everyone and welcome back to a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I'm going to show you how you can delete your TikTok account for good. So first of all, I will need you to open your TikTok account, open your application and then head up to your profile. From here, click on these three settings and click on settings and privacy. Click on the first option, which is the account, and here you will find the last option, which is deactivate or delete account. Click on it and this will take you to this page right over here. So you either have the option to deactivate your account so no one can see your account, including all content that is stored in it, and you can reactivate it whenever you want, or delete account permanently. Your account and content will be deleted permanently. You may cancel the deletion request by reactivating your account within 30 days. So in our case, we are going to delete the account. So click on delete, as you can see. And from here, you are simply going to give them any reason or simply skip this process. And right after that, you are simply going to click by continuing. I would like to request my data to be removed, or you can request download of all the data that you currently have on your account. Then click on continue, click continue, and as you can see, just like so, the account is being deleted. You simply have to write down the code that will be sent to your email, and just like so, everything within your account will be deleted within 30 days. So this is how you can delete your account. Thank you guys a lot for watching, and see you guys in the next video.